Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add custom name in Subway Surfer. So the first step you need to do is to open Subway Surfer. So once you open this game, wait for a few seconds here until it complete loading and select your age. So I'm going to select this one. Click on do you want to improve your ad experience? So I'm going to add no thanks. Okay, so now it will be open. Then you simply need to click on the gear icon on the top right and connect your Facebook. So now it is connecting. Here you can see that connected to Facebook. Okay, and once it is connected, here you see gear icon, click on that. Here you can see that it is now connected. And now how you can add your custom name. So here you can see your profile picture, click here. Here you can see player profile, and here you can see this icon, and you can change your portrait here and click on save. So once you done that, you need to go back, and here you can see top run. So click here, and once you are here, click on get results. Okay, and once it is completed, okay, tap to continue. Okay, and here you need to find your name. Okay, and from here you can change your custom name. Here you can see that you can see your friends here, and here you can see. Okay, so this is our process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.